In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a theme and set it as default in Microsoft PowerPoint. This process is not only easy but also hugely beneficial if you frequently create presentations and want a consistent look and feel across all of them. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you have the software installed, otherwise download and install it from the official Microsoft website. Once PowerPoint is up and running, the next step is to open the presentation you're working on, or you could start a new one if you prefer to create from scratch. This is where your creativity comes into play, so feel free to adjust the slides to your liking. Now, with PowerPoint open and your presentation ready, focus your attention on the ribbon at the top of the screen. You'll want to click on the View tab. This tab gives you a variety of options to change how you are viewing your slides, but our goal is to access a deeper level of customization. With the View tab selected, look for the option labelled Slide Master. Click on this and you'll be directed to an overview of your slide layouts. This is a very powerful tool as changes in the Slide Master will affect all slides associated with the theme you are using. Locate the first slide in the Slide Master pane. This is called the Master Slide. It's the blueprint for your theme's design elements and will be the focus of your customization. Once there, the next thing we'll do is select themes from the toolbar above. Clicking on themes will drop down a menu with various built-in theme options, but since you're looking to set a specific custom theme, browse through this drop down. Here's where the magic happens. From this drop down menu, find your custom theme. It should appear if you've saved it correctly in the past. Select that theme and you'll notice that applying changes here adjusts the look and feel of every slide in the presentation, adhering to your chosen aesthetic. This setup allows your slides to maintain a consistent style, enhancing the professional appearance of your presentations. Remember, knowing how to save and apply themes efficiently saves you time in future projects and ensures cohesive branding or styling. I hope this guide has helped you better understand how to save a theme and set it as default in PowerPoint. You'll now have a consistent and polished style to work with during your presentations, streamlining the creation process and maintaining that desired professional look. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.